ngiyacela ukuthi noma iziphi inhlelo azositshela zona athi siyenziwa ngaba inhlelo zokuthi uzobe kune event mhlamba amathikithi noma ngabe niwathenge bazalwane kusho mina mangabe igala dinner yini sifuna kule 50 year celebration yeminyaka yakhe ijubilee yakhe no 30 years we radio broadcasting simkhombisa ukuthi how excited are we simkhombise how happy we are ukuthi sibe nomuntu onjengaye ephila nje bazalwane edla mvana sifuna ukucelebrate Bishop, this is your year 2026 is your year njengeminye iminyaka kodwa ka lo owakho kakhulu you are turning 50 and you've done a lot for the body of Christ. I think I'm one of the people abazi uhambo la Bishop lokuqala eqala emsakazweni naleli gama likaNsonzomane ngiyanitshela ukuthi yaqhamuka kanjani ngelinye ilanga lelo langa ngitshela lo muntu bazalwane uhambe la emsakazweni kwafika isikhathi miya la khona wakwata wadinwa ebona ngathi umsakazo wamlibazisa akayithola imali wakwata wahamba wathi kwakhe imigwaqo yamhlula imigwaqo wahamba wathi uyokwenza construction wayigijima ngapha ngakondwedwe ngoba ngithi uyabonakala namabhuzu lenhla yamhlula iconstruction wabuya ngoba noma John ungathinyule ninifu kodwa
wabona bani yena
izokugwinya wafika wayesasakazela la ibuilding ngambe la ePentag ebetas wathi Petros emsamo shayile umngani wami kithi mina siyahleba la ngithi indaba kwenze njani umndai wathi hey uzama construction eBododeni isibahlupho uzama construction manje lo muntu umsakazi angimazi ufunani wabuya lotetiyezi uneyikameteme uneyimaka lotiyezi ngihambile lenciko beshada nomacela I was there laphenanda beshada esamncanyana lezingane zonke seseyunivesithi nje isalwe ngikhona phambi so we are very excited Bishop and we thank the Lord to connection nabo Mercy City or brother Dwidwi to where you are today. It's just been a blessing of kaNkulunkulu ubethanda ukuhamba ke kakhulu uyathanda ukutravel nje generally uthanda bebona indawo ngathi ke ngimfanele ngathi Bishop awenze nje kunento esemoyeni awuqale into ekuthiwa inzonzo tours lelo gama lelo ngifuna abantu belalela asoka la kimi ngathi iqale ngathi ngiyayiqamba inzonzo tours ngoba lento iyahamba ngajabule sengiyibona isihamba igcwala everywhere uBishop ethatha abantu abafaka lana usahamba umhlaba ubuya koIsrael wambo unabantu abaphesheya abamfunayo nje we are so blessed Bishop. I want to say this, we are blessed to have you and you must know that we love you and mangithi we mhlambe ngizona ngathi kuncane
umfundisi umiya lapha phesheya I hope ukuthi alele yonke video ngoba ngoJuly ufuna ngizohlala eMelika kodwa ke kulungile
Orevmia yes Africa Unity Radio yes
bangifuna ka
you know mhlambe mawuthi we uzokala kungabe ngazi ukuthi yabo I love you Bishop. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for me you know there was a time Bishop but kweni inkonzo Coconuts Foundation sisakaza speaker sodwa
wena
speaker sodwa
majola lalela aniyazi lo so nika ithuba yabona mase lezo speak lalela speaker sasisodwa egugudlameni ebiza uvuyo mkwena umkwena ufike lapha esakuthe yabona imoto esayibelethe isona uhamba ngayo lapha amapajero
hamba ngepajero 2 doors
hamba ngepajero
ibhala uvuyote music yes
ufike lapho ngimile lapha ngithi majola iphi sound uthi yona le ngithi iphi ukhomba ispeaker sound uvuyo afika kumina uthi manje iphi sound ngithi mina ngicela sikhulume nangompostoli wena umhlelo wakho athi babe angeke ngikwazi ukuhlabela la ngizohlabela kanjani la lapho sesitshela abasithi bakwethu nangu uvuyela inemali
mina ngiyayifuna ukuthi la methula kanjani uvuyo engayiboni isamba and manje futhi nami ngase ngimqhathe nebhizo mase ngithe no mthule
nawu uyayiqhathulula
lapho bengibuzile ngathi khona and vele yayikhona Ncebo but umuntu oyithembisile uza akasaveli manje
inkinga sasiningi
sekuvela uMajola manje serongi sekuvela uMajola manje ebhedile lo muntu obethembisa isound akekho manje
lalela uvuyo wathi nje ngenze njani makunje ngithi mina baba ngicela ubingelela abantu kuphela babingelela abantu bathi nje sishayekile isanje bika nje ngabe uyabahlabelelela awashaya lokho saqede lapho wathi meqede lokho futhi nje uNkulunkulu wamuhle sashumala ngencwadi kaLazarus ngikhohle uzwe
yebo
sasitshela kaMike ayithathi neBalazar ave nayo nami ngingene ngithi buyisela iMike le neBalazar yazi kahle ayilethela ispeaker sisodwa basindiswa abantu nakalona uNkulunkulu wamuhle
yes
kwenzeka into ngakubona uNkulunkulu ngenye indlela la ngabona uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu
remember that someone
hayibo ngikhohle lesi sashuma noLazarus ngithi ngihamba naye athi mani sasikhohlela ukuthi sine speaker sodwa nabantu abalapha sebekhohlela ukuthi speaker sisodwa
bambonile kodwa
uvuyo ngiyabona sasimemeze ngayo uvuyo sathi zali kukhona uvuyo mkwe eshisa nje ethi njalo ethi bathando
sasike sinimahlangana naye egoli athi Majola ngisuse goli ngifakela upetrol ezawakhetho sound ayikho makhabani isaba lento
lale umfundisi uThomas wasamlazi athi kumina mkhuzeni Majola bazomshaya bani
umuntu obethembisile
kuyo
isound asamtholi akasatholakali sengibasathence ngisaba nokumushwa la ngoba
sifunda ngeinduku
bishop
ukuthi abanye abantu bacela ukuthi usuke ungathi phambili ikhanda lakho liphambili usuke lo muntu athi lo relax ibeke kumina le kanti nawe no don't worry about this don't worry about ngicedile ngalokho khulileka ishele kumina yanti ushela
mina bishop yenzeka isikhathi eside lonto empilweni yami ngacela ngithi mina inkosi lento kufanele ngivele ngiye
ngoba phela awukwazi ukuhlela ungamhleli isound entweni engaka ukwazi ukuhlela ususu umuntu le isound bungayihlelanga
no it's not
possible truck
ukuhlelile yonke into
ayibo ngangabona umshado mina kwafa itruck ngadlula kuyona lo truck ithwele zonke izitulu nesound
very sad but uNkulunkulu wasithwala bishop
no wasithwala
wasithwala bishop
wasithwala
you know
isitori somlando lezi
somlando
lalela shuma sayeka yonke into sathi no let's stick
futhi wena wathashumela noLazarus ngangazothi uzoshumela ngithini
ngavula iscript
awusazi uzothini
ngangazi ngizothini because I was like what do you say ngoba abantu balana manje ba excited
igcwele igugudla bathi abantu wathala la
and bishop angikusho lokho
speaker sodwa
because bishop isikhuluma
le mic
isikhuluma bishop ngo-20 years sikhuluma ngo-27 years in sikhuluma ngo-30 years kaBishop in broadcasting Bishop basibekezelile abantu baseThekwini I want to say thank you bantu bakithi eThekwini
ezedlule intweni
for raising me as your boy Durban for raising me as your boy thank you Durban thank you for thank you for believing in this guy. You know, when hell was breaking loose, you know, when you didn't know.
Abazali baba bazalwane. Baba bazali thina. Basithola ngemkhuleko. Bama nathi bathi lezi ingane labantwana bethu bahamba noNkulunkulu. Isitha silwa nabo. Basimela sama madoda saba obaba sashatelwa sakhulisa ingane. Bemile labazalwane ngiyamthandaza.
Yabona Bishop ngisho ngithi noma ngabe kuthiwa sengilingwa yini ngithi kodwa ngifana noPetro wavela athi kuJesu singayapi.
Come on.
Ngithi mangibuka iTheko ngithi kodwa Nkosi yami ngingayapi. Uma ngibuka what Durban has built out of me. Durban, thank you so much. Thank you so much. South Africa as a whole is now consuming what you have built, what you have given birth to, what you have nurtured. You know, ikhetla lamba bomzimela osaba senkosini KCC. Wayethi mina angazi andile ukuthi ngizwe nje abantu bethi waphoxile eThekwini. Yini bekwenze njani? Ngichaza athi okay thank. Hey kulungile.
Awuthandi lo thank wakhe.
Yabona next time uhlale phansi, uhlele kahle, uhlale Bishop, uhlele nabantu. Uhlele Bishop. Ngagcina ngifunda ukuthi yazi ezinye izindlela ekaSathane zokukushaya. Uma ebona ukuthi akakwazi ukuyisusa into uNkulunkulu akunikeza yona. U-assassinate character yakho kubantu abakudingayo. Avumela ukuthi kube ngathi igama lakho liyahlephuka liyaphela uyilento wena udoti, uyilento wena engcolile. Akalishaya igama lakho kubantu abangakudingi. Ulishaya igama lakho kulabantu abakudingayo. Nabazokudinga abangakazi ukuthi bazokudinga. Bese njalo uma becabanga igama lakho bavela we but uNkulunkulu has been good. Bishop, I want to say this. Ngisabonga abantu baseThekwini, ngisabonga abantu base-South Africa, provinces that we've been to as minister all these 27 years sihlabelela la nganyathela khona abantu baseThekwini bakithi ngiyaxolisa. La khona njengengane yenu I've done you wrong, waphatheka kabuhlungu whether ngangule province ama ngekho kule province yakithi. I am so sorry, but thank you South Africa, thank you Durban for raising your boy and your son to namhlanje sikhuluma 20 years.
Lalela umbhalo wamahubo owencwadi uhamba lamahubo lathi liyongena ihubo eICC ngangimike inyawo ethi majola. Ngathi yabona majola. Ngicela into ehiccups. Ngicela
ngabe khona. Into ayigwarisha khona I remember. Wayekafona uBishop ngo1 ekseni ashaya ama voice note 14 minutes. Ngini mangiyibuka ngiqale ngithandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu kaze uzothi uNkulunkulu. Athi eqala bethi yabona uzwe ukuthi kudlalwa neThabeni ama station futhi kudlalwa lo neThabeni ama 25 minutes. I don't mind waiting. Aqasha yabona amajola. Lapho segqoke ivest, ulapha yabona amajola. This is a do or die. Majola miyafeyila leyo. Majola ingaqali ngesikhathi isound ayikho. Yayisisi yayivuliwe.
Iband ilinki
yanqaba ungena estage. Majola sesimemeze kangaka. Majola ngangivele ngicaba ukuthi nizothi uNkulunkulu wami ngizoba yini weJesu khulukhulu wami ngizoba thethe ngithi ngiyiqeda even lalela lo ngane lapha ekhaya mama Jola athi wenza kahle impela but wena uyabona izinto ekuzodila nazo uyibona athi no, so that there's no mistakes ngikhathele hayibo ngibona ngenza ngamabomo. What do you think I'm doing this on purpose? You know, but those things, these are the things I'm saying I will forever cherish you as a brother, because those are the things that those things come from umuntu okuthandayo.
Yeah, true.
Ongafuni ukubona ulimala isidingo singekho. Ongafuni ukubona amaphutha. Yazi uBishop ayikathethele i-activation stay u5. Seku 5:10. Usithe u5 seku 5:10. Athi majola. Abantu masithe u5. Majola. I was here mina ngo4. But no but no. Bishop. Phela Bishop bengabe ufuna ekseni lokho hayi manje. So you need those people.
Yeah.
You need those people abazohlala nawe phansi bathi no not la no kanje hayi la hayi kanje. Yabona sake sathi sihamba sasibizoba unhlabo sekhona. Sicishe sishwa ibhano wathi majola usashwa ibhanoyi mhla 15 March kuzokwenzakala lutho umajola bake bafike lapha nesound ingekho majola ubanjwe yimina ngezandla zahambe lalela majola wayivela ngiqede kale athi my life is on the line imini utshela abantu kathi you ICC majola sikuthwela ngeqoma majola ngizoba yini ebantweni athi wangiqeda ngalolani futhi athi kodwa bake bangitshela kodwa ngithi kushaka sojabule ngithi hey ngalithwala idombozo nabantu abamtshela ngazi bamtsheleni noma manje akahamba uDennis ayekubona labantu I'm sick and tired of labantu bamhlalise phansi hey ngikhathele ibona avela nje lo mganele endlini athi shaya wena Bishop wenzeka ngo15 March wenzeka
awenzeka mina la ngafuna khona ukuthi wonke umuntu unabo abantu abanegative around you.
Yes.
Aba khona manje ngeke ngikutshele ngabo ukuthi babethini kodwa engathi babe ngibatshela bathi uyaqhubeka ngithi hayi ngiyaqhubeka ngamethemba uzoyenza le ngoba ngase ngisibona isitolo lapha nami ngisifakayo ukuthi hayi ngifaka manje
Mangashesha manje
kuzonakala
sekuzonakala
angiqinisa amabhawoti sibheke la sibheke khona into emnandi ukuthi siye Albert Park with confidence.
Yes sir. Come on
now. The confidence ukuthi this is the time.
Yes sir.
This is 2026.
Yes sir.
We are so excited.
Yes sir.
Kuningi edlule kukho.
Yes sir.
Siyele yonke into.
Yes sir.
Ngitshela ne-team lemsakazo ngathi lalelani ngathi Albert Park sezungeza ngomthandazo.
Oh my God. Sesikhona sothandaza izolo.
Sezungeza ngomthandazo. Kukhulu into uNkulunkulu asibizele neThekwini. Lo nyaka iTheku ngaphakathi.
Yes sir.
Alizohlala lingezwanga. Ukuthi there is God.
Come on.
Ophilayo.
Come on.
Ali iTheku ngelihlala lingezwanga. Ukuthi noNkulunkulu okhulumayo.
That's powerful.
Bangamemezela bathi uNkulunkulu akakhulumi nomuntu. Ngithi mina uNkulunkulu uyakhuluma nomuntu.
Oh yes.
Uma athi Abraham aphuma ezolakini esehlotsheni. Ngithi namanje uyakhuluma.
Oh yes.
Izozwakala lapha 13 14 15.
Yes sir.
Sebeziphakathi eAlbert Park. We can't wait and we are praying for you Majola. Ne-team yakho Mpostoli. We love you so much.
Thank you.
As umsakazi highway. Kakhulu from way back usathi uyingwele from le uthi kuba bonke oThixo. He's my hiding place. There's a lot that you have done.
Ngifuna ukutshela abalaleli sakhuluma lento Bishop. Kade angiqala lo muntu. Wangiqala ngifika ne-album yokuqala. Yazi athi mangizojusa stage athi ngitsheleni ukuthi no10 minutes. uMajola nje akaphuma stage uvela afika stage uMajola acimeze akhala kasibonge nesikhathi vele weqininisile ngange ngifike nje ngingayicule ezami ingo angithi manje into engishaya Bishopini ngangibhala mina into entsha manje uthi mangiyicula ngibona ngathi abantu abarespond kanti abantu bayizwa kwaye wafona umfabo kaMthunzi number edlala ingoma yami Mthandeni ubhuti Mthandeni uBishop edlala ingoma yami wathi lento idlala lapha e-studio sengivele ngameceleni ngingayikholwa lezinto ukuthi hayi no it's fine kodwa ngithi mangithi uyingcwele bona ngathi kuthulekile engathi ngavele ngithi
lama ngisakhala
uzona uJesu endabe angathi you know and uBishop has always been there usibonga wathi kumina usibonga Zungu wasawusibonga Mngadi that time wathi mina no ungamind Bishop uyakhulisa one day you'll be happy one day usekathi manje athi mngani wami uwe lo osogcwalisa mabhidi uwe lo osongane ku ICC wena lo uyakhumbula those days highway Christian community uyakhumbula inkonzo ethatha uBishop sise owesizwe mlazi you remember so it
ngathatha lapha
ngangena estage ngicaswe lo mjeda kancane manje umuntu engangiconnected naye kwaku my boy Mpungoswa efunda indaba la Mesoro Stin Peace no Petros Msomo ngina hayi lo mjeda kancane lo mjeda lo like indaba nje uthanda uncwane uthanda usifiso lo mjeda so maku uncwane uzombona ke lapha sithi Dabana yurane sifeza ngwana bese kuloko ngena ke nakho kusifuso uncane neminwe ke u12 wenakho ke kunjenjani sengikhishiwe ke mina ngoba nginte ebhedala kanti ngangingazi mina umuntu engithethe ngawe uThabanga umshweshwe my producer why kathethe uThabanga oh man I'll forever be grateful to that guy uThabanga umshweshwe my very first producer why kathethe umshweshwe yabo khona into ama artist yabo yabo ngangakazi ukuthi kame how do I ngikhulumela kanjani ingoma before ngiyicule ukuthi vele ngizongicule nje yabo because mina ngifike kumime ku industry manje mina ingoma zami zingavumi ngimime kufanele ngihlabelele